The core technology of synthetic biology is the DNA synthesizer. It's basically a 3D printer for the DNA molecule. And what's beautiful about that is now you can do all of your editing and programming using software tools to make a digital DNA design. And when you're ready to start moving it into living systems, into the lab or into the clinic, you hit the print button and you turn that digital DNA into molecular DNA that the cellular systems can run. This is great for making a program. If you make a small program, you're going to make a protein. If you can write a longer program, you can make an entire organism.